Hey, yo, Mason, what's good? Michelle, what's good? Appreciate everyone checking in. Just did arm day. Nice, nice. Good stuff, man. Which parish? St. Catherine. Don't forget to hit that like button, all right? Let's kick things off here. Smash that thumbs up, all right? Let's go. Hey, yo, Donnie, what's good? All right. Yeah, let's go. Can I do a plank? Yes, I can do a plank. If anyone wanna donate a super chat and request a plank, I will do a 1 minute plank. All right, hit that like button. Let's kick things off here. It's the best way to warm up right here. Michelle Strogan from good afternoon from Canada. Hey, what's up? What's up? Welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone tuning in. Smash that thumbs up button, all right, and subscribe. So I'm gonna kick things off today with some shoulder workout and then some leg workout. So, oh, it's cold. Oh, is it snowing? Yeah, out here we mostly get sunshine. Right now we need some rain. Doesn't rain from, I think from maybe December, from November, December. So we need some rain right now. Best cardio. Okay, so in California, sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, that's some crazy stuff there. That's why those fires are crazy, man. Big. Germany. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? yeah, man, all my thoughts and prayers to everyone from California, LA with those fires, man. Some crazy stuff, you know. All right, we'll have to kick things off with this routine here. Best routine for shoulders, no weights needed. Shoulders and traps. Been training for 8 years now. 8 years and going. Smash that like button, guys. Let's get this money. Let's keep going. Atlantic City, is that New Jersey? Yo, respect, man. Appreciate you being here, man. All right, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, guys. Let's go. Anyone work with at home, try this. Bodyweight. If you can hit at least over 100 reps, I recommend it. Don't stop till the shoulders are burning. Best way to build traps and shoulder fastest way as well. Using no weights. Oh, okay. Atlantic City, New Jersey. Okay, now good stuff, good stuff. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Shoulder is burning. Just getting warm up here. Hit that like button and subscribe. Feel that burning in your shoulder. Keep going. Still early days. Let's keep going. Make sure you're extending it. Get that full swing. Keep it high. From Germany, welcome to the live stream. Whoa, see that? That's how you build shoulder and chops at home with no weights. Trust me, we recommend it, highly recommended. Yeah, Noah, welcome, appreciate it. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, alright? Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe. You want to support? You send a super chat or just simply hit that like button. Link in the description if you want to become a paid member and join the community, alright? Stay tuned. Let's keep getting this money. Best way to warm up. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to support, you can send a super chat. Simply hit that like button, alright? Make sure you subscribe. Dog, wow, what's good, homie? What's good, man? Stay tuned. Stay focused. Let's keep working. Smash a thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. You're going well. Thank you, man. Work continues. It's all about showing up every day. Putting in the work. You already know, man. Smash a thumbs up button. Subscribe. Let's get that shoulder together. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah. A bit confused. Okay, so we're doing shoulders and leg, right? Yeah. Forgot that. So we do it. Hey, Garrett Potts, what's good, man? Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Thank you so much, Garrett. Respect. All right, so everyone tuning in, appreciate you all tuning in, man. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that like button. You're rough. Why do I eat on average every day? A lot of rice, Jamaican, cooked dumpling, yam, banana, sausage, garlic, beans, peas, chicken, beef, cow meat, stuff like that. Okay. Let's get it. Hey, Tyler, was good. Appreciate it. Wakanda forever, but this is Jamaica. So Jamaica forever. How much eggs? No egg. It's been like almost 2 years. No egg. No eggs. Honestly. Would you like to meet me at empty street at night in France? I don't know what's the meaning, but all right. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe. Let's get it. Okay, let's get that bread. Let's get that bread, man. Get this together. Same time. What? No, that's done. Okay, let's get that bread. All right, chat, let's go. We're gonna do it right here. Whew. Up. Ah. Get that bread. Embrace the weight and the heaviness. All right, something new and different now, right? Where is it? Okay. Let's get this money. Now we're gonna add some extra weight to this, alright? Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe. Whoa. Is that Itachi from Germany? Respect, respect. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Time is it there? It's 4:52 p.m. right now. CT, is that Connecticut? Keep grinding. Hey, yo, Michael. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. From US. All right. Respect, respect. Love from Hawaii. Yeah. Hey, yo, John. Let's go to raw. Man. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. Okay, smash a thumbs up button, subscribe to the movement. Yeah. One more set, chat. How much protein a day? I try to hit at least, I try to work my way up to 100 plus grams. You know, I always try to work my way up to 100 plus grams. I don't really check, but I know it's always over 100 plus, like eat daily. With the meal settings. All right, so let me check the chat here. And is it vegan? So my diet is mostly meat. Got some vegetables here and there. Vegetables, you know, it's important. It's good for your body. But I'm mostly meat, be honest, man. Using our red meat and some supplement. Okay, all right. Yes, I am. Leon H from Germany. Welcome. Appreciate you being here. Sharon Murray. Determination is amazing. Okay. Game changer. Yo, Cody, what's good, Cody? Just keep going, just keep working, man. It's all about just keep doing what you're doing. Push yourself harder and harder every day. Every day, push yourself harder. Don't forget to hit that like button, alright? Smash that thumbs up. Maryland, USA. Hey, your boss, what's good? Look like a wonderful man. Actually, I am. Very, very chill. Very, very. At least I like when people say I'm hard working. I don't like to say I'm hard working. You know, because it's like nothing to me, you know. Born in this. Used to everything. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's work out our shoulder here, all right? Yeah. Let's get it. Whoa. Whoa. Let's keep working here. She cooks some roast. Thank you for the like. Appreciate it. Thank you for sharing your live streams. Inspired me to try get fitter. That's why we share the journey, man. It's the whole reason behind it. It's my pleasure doing what I love. You know, share it to motivate and inspire. It's a pleasure. All right, so don't forget to smash a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. Let's keep going. 6 more likes for 90. Smash that thumbs up. Let's go. Thank you for the sub. Ah! Yeah, appreciate everyone tuning in. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Hey, Jessica from Georgia, USA. Appreciate you being here. Thank you. Welcome. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to support, you want to join, become a member, link in the description. So if you send a super chat, send a gift, or just simply hit that like button. Let's keep working. All right. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, oh yeah. Smash a thumbs up button, chat. Let's get this money. it's a rough one. Well, it's a raggy road. Raggy road. Well, again, well, I've been in this road for the longest while. This is one year for real. I didn't know I put them shit at it. Go and then go rob and then go kill and steal. Alright, try to for another man meal. I know Israel. Babylon get trampled under with evil, it's a raggy road. Road is so rough. A raggy road. Road is so tough. Road is so rough. Raggy road. Well, again, will have been. Well, it's a yeah, appreciate everyone tuning in. Smash that thumbs up button. It's always a good vibe here. You know, say they might hit the biceps, unfortunately, intentionally. Yes, I am. Why meditation? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just think you.
We there. You don't know. I deal with that something here. Hey Joshua, what's good? Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Alright. So now we're gonna move on to some squats. Stop that thing, alright. Schooling start already, no sir? Are you sitting in the name hash on TikTok? I'm gonna get on TikTok. Oh, wow, you follow me. Who? Oh yeah, see. Wow, yeah, see, I spread the word, man. Respect youth. You see, you know, get the time out yet. Oh, name. Mm-hmm. Your guava was good. Just oh, okay. So Despacito, you did you watch my YouTube shorts? So Despacito, let me know if you watch my shorts. Cause that sound like a good idea. You can't get one easy boy, you say, half a ground. If you want, you're not ready. Come in know flash like playing, you know, so next minute in there, so next minute in there somebody is like flash. You with him flash. Hmm? Oh, you're bored. Me tell the boy PC. Me tell the boy PC say one part tonight what if we change out. I didn't even get the chance to change it yet neither. Soon start you out, man. Time come for that. Nothing can top that. Why? It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been too long. It's been too long, youth. Just too long.
You good on that?
Yeah, man, make sure we clean you up.
But you never played the game for me.
Nah. No, man, I take out some parts of that, so you can't turn on.
How's the phone here?
Yes.
A record?
No, record, man. Good one. Or yourself. Did record already.
Take up the training with you, one training, now when I get bones up. Some boy shall cut me to them, cut me could me a player.
Oh, okay. So Despacito, I hear what you're saying, man, and appreciate you for that information to share that. You know, so definitely gonna put that into consideration, and so definitely look out for some future videos exactly like that. All right. Yeah, I appreciate you for the support as well. It's 133 at the moment. In a day, I say, I know. They're on the indoor. I'm pull out the one at a time.
Oh, you get it?
It did, man. I mean, I fix up it, you know. Yeah, man, it in there, man. You got some intel, you know. You got some intel, you know. See, wow. Throw some punch, we throw some punch in a real life. Welcome, man. It's all good. Just give me a second here, chat. Give me a second here. Everything globalized like weed. Seems like it. Make a bad move, you know. Look yourself, man. You'll be ready. Can't study here.
No one else to you.
Oh. Okay. What kind of workout this? Just go and tell me.
Me?
Which part you think this which part you think it a workout?
I never still one then. Never still one then. Yeah, sir.
Tell me be consistent with it, you know, but I don't know why I didn't drop it. You understand?
Never, I first never one.
Whoa! Pure body weight today. Just pure body weight, Aya. Well, I should do lift weights.
Yeah, look fire. I say it'll be easy. You work out every day. But you never get up.
I must have been strong a long time from young, Ash. But why tell me that she used to hide it now me like used to hide it now me, you know. Cause me never really easily pissed off, you know, Ash, you see me? No, me never easily pissed off.
And I'm going to school. And most can enjoy it camp. Cause I take my training already, you know. Wake up every early morning. Walk, go down so far. I don't know it's so far, but it's far,
Yeah.
far for me. Get up and walk in the evening in a hot sun.
Whew. Okay, chat. Then I've been AWOL, AFK. I apologize, alright? Alright, me there, you know. How we doing now, chat? How we doing? Ah, boy. So this morning, I did some calf workout this morning with additional weights strapped to me. So that's why I did that set right there, just only body weight. So I'm gonna turn this around now, so we can globalize the chat more easier. You see it? Andrew. Yo, Andrew. Yo, what's good? Appreciate it. Yeah. Yo, yeah. Before that weight there, Joe, can wait. That big guy in there. Lean on the wall there. You know, if you know, big guy.
The long one?
Yeah. Give me the one hand. Respect.
Six pack. Okay, my son. Boy. Today was the worst day. You have to run from truck today.
Oh, sports day soon when I get ready for?
No.
Oh, boy.
Physical. Not do with truck something.
Physical education thing. Oh.
But the truck season now, they say. And the football season now, football season gone. Soon come.
You say I've running a son, as you say?
Yeah?
I feel well being, you know? And you know that?
I can't manage to get a short a bit.
Well, and see that make it even worse. That's why you need to stay physically active. Yeah, you need to stay physically. Somebody younger than you are for your age, easily sick, you know, man. It's just weather change. Sick one every minute, man. You used to have a symptom like asthma, similar to where you were talking about. I'm used to involve in a sports, and I still used to sick. But you see, ever since I start doing this, say I start like when I early age, like your age, we don't know how easy sickness thing, because your mind, it's all about the mindset. The mindset is not easy. But sports is good for you, man. Good for you. You can play some football more while and sweat. You see, good for your body, good for your immune system. Wait around. Some orange juice or one soda.
Orange juice.
Yeah, as I say that now, man. As I say that now.
Right. Orange juice. Soda what acid that.
You want sodium, eh?
The orange juice, you know, nicer. I like orange juice.
All right, chat. When you get your chest that big, it's just need to pay attention to the chat. Okay, so all right, chat. I apologize. All right, let me pay attention now. So get this chest push-ups. I do a lot of push-ups, man. Well, as I always say on immersion, I'm doing immersion there to be closer. I like how you're not afraid of the weights them, because enough people come here and I think I touch them. So, respect that. People see them, I'm afraid of them. That's what we're calling it.
You get one though to come video?
Eh?
You didn't get one though?
Ryan though? Yeah, we do some videos on the links.
Oh, yeah, video on the links. But then hear
You hear about them?
yeah, routine say you see a Lindsay shirtless, I walk shirtless.
You see the video? Oh. When I say, what are they share, you know?
She see a bit of them son. She does not see one of them from Bluetooth.
Okay.
Be strong.
Nice. Whoa! Yo, Adams was good. Mini. Oh, that's good. Henderson. Yo, what's good? What's good, G? You're here. I see that. I see that you're here. Give me a second here. I'm drinking some water. Hey, yo, Willison, what's good? Appreciate everyone tuning in. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All right, let's get this money. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Yes, I am. Tristan, what's good? Mr. Lopez, what's good? All right, guys, appreciate it. Appreciate it, y'all. cinder blocks, iron, concrete. All of those equal zero excuse. Zero excuses, man. Hey, yo, Blake, what's good? Oh.
Come back.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm tired, the boy.
You need to do it, but your back can't take that much weight. That's how it is. Woo! One more. Another go. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, again. Yes, I see. Oh, yeah. See. All right. Yes, I am. I guess I'm always lifting heavy, so why not? I have to make sure I'm squat. When I'm doing squats, it's heavy as well, right? We're getting there though. We're still gonna add more weight. Oh. Water in the other pipe, Ash?
I'm gonna check. Water out here?
Eh?
Water out here?
No, what's that?
I see that VM one there. No, on the V out there. On the run there, I forgot to check in.
Ah! Ah! Whoa!
Make it there.
Okay. Whoa. Ah.
So I'm gonna make a phone.
Yeah. You just have to work with the feeling. You have to know your body limit. Know your feeling. As long as you just work with that feeling and don't try to overdo it. Because you don't want to hurt yourself, right? So you have to be careful. Just know your body. Oh, man.
People love watching Jamaican do them work.
Mm-hmm.
I said, yeah, I see Jamaican.
You said in love with the Jamaicans?
The girls end up on the live.
Mm-hmm.
The girls end up on the live.
Thousands daily. Thousands, dude. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Crazy, man. What I'm drinking empty from what here?
So you get water.
Boil me boil some water with the we can't even drink. But if I boil them, and not even boil them, not really kill much of the bacteria in them. But I boil some of them and drink them. Crazy. You know, I don't know the water. I don't drink chlorine. Because no care about them days, you see, from boil them, then 10 times better than the chlorine. Because even when you boil the chlorine, you might get rid of something like, gas form, but some other chemicals are in it. So, a chlorine water you drink around there?
I don't drink water. Water in run them part for drink, sir.
You don't drink water. So what you drink then? Yeah, I mean, if your back is hurting or whatever, definitely not gonna be good because you have to be careful with what you're lifting. And you can't lift anything heavy no more. So definitely it's bad. So you get strong by using bricks. I get strong by staying consistent and just building muscle. Start from light weight and lifting heavy and heavy every day. Start from one set, 2 sets. Now we're doing like 5 sets, 4 sets. You know, so you have to start somewhere. Jamaica. You know what? I was gonna let me leave the live on. It's all good. A lot of people still here interacting, so I'm not gonna end it. So now we're gonna add some more weight. Gosh, one of one is. And tell me how much pound you think this I work from my leg them. How much pound is I think me there already?
About 400.
Almost, I should have. Why? Make a good guess, man. What here? Make a good guess, you. You make a good guess. I don't know how much one black weigh, but you make a good guess.
How much one black weigh?
30, 33. Some of them broke up, so some heavy and some obviously. Whoa! Let's get this money. Where's that strap? Can you go and get in? Alright, chat. Place getting dark, but we're still going. Let's get this money. Bad color, you know. People think it's water, bad color.
I think of fish.
You think of fish in
Fish. I'm real sugar water. I'm going to now put it in the back and put it this one.
The dog stay in the my buckle.
Stay in the pan?
What this gets a dog all of a sudden? Oh. Whoa! Call weakness greatness. They say I want weakness greatness.
Yeah, I'm gonna learn it, my boy. Learn it, man. I will take it from the head, man.
When you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So for 40 on the side and 40 on the side there. Just want to get the idea. So you can do the math when you're ready.
400 pounds.
I wish unafforded pounds. One day I lose too much pound and over my body. Start building my body and I might start squat 100, 400. For the meantime, let's stay at 300 hard.
Nah, eat. Yeah, eat.
I don't know why my food and my money this. Oh! I run over bad money. No one witness the greatness, wicked man.
Yeah, me a witness. Man.
So my PR, you see? My personal record, you see, Ash, was 5 on each side.
Fire that, you know.
And that was almost 400. Then I made a video with you, putting a line here, too. So I'm going to share it one at a time.
5.
One live stream, me do it, you know, when thousands of people was watching. I say, alright, I'll go for you. Check it up here, hit my personal best. And boy, Ash, so I come and just do one rep with him, because my case I'm going to put it on back. I feel like putting it on tear up. Yeah, man.
Strong guy.
But it was a good feeling, you know? Always a good feeling, yeah. Yeah. £400, we're just chilling right now. Just chilling right now, to be honest. Alright, let's get it again. I know the place is getting dark, but I don't want to end the live stream. Because you guys here interacting, so let's just keep it going, right? Mm-hmm. 90, sometimes 100. That job, because the quality low today, I use. And the place dark, so that's 90. Whoa! The only way I'll do 30 push-up right now is if someone send a super chat over $10 or over. At least $10 or over. Nothing much. But otherwise, keep working on my legs. Hush, dash, just witness the madness.
You see it all the time.
I say, I always see if you're there. Oh. We ain't playing around, fam. So we do we think. Now phone for you. Check it time. Oh, it's all good, it's all good. Wait. Okay. Well, let's do 5 more. Hey, Patrick. Nicholas. Hey, shout out to you, man. Alright, let's do 5 more then. Coming in with that super chat. Let's get this money. Okay, let's get this bread. Why you push me and say let's go when you see me doing squat, you know?
Go, let's go. Come on, man. Get this money, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Force it, man.
I'm a boss. Respect for that. You have no idea what that is. You think a target thing? I'm going to shot back in skin. Yeah, man. Yo. Whoa. That right there is some good money. Whoa.
Guys can't hear me though.
Yeah?
Guys can't hear me though.
Yeah, man. So what I'm clear, so for them to miss your footstep. Your footstep, you tell me to that. Okay. I think that's it though. I'm gonna do one more set, right?
I put them out good crazy, man. iPhone 16 come out. Now 17 them they want to go through it. And next thing then 19. What?
15 drop what yeah, you drop 16 already.
16, yeah, 16 come out. Yeah, I think 16. Go by 16.
Oh?
Go.
iPhone man.
And give me 13 and give me 16.
A 15 me know about, but I'll look it up still.
Yeah, say 15 drop.
Hard work.
I never know about 15. I drop.
iPhone a good phone boy. Original.
Samsung phone good. Some people prefer Samsung phone more than iPhone. We prefer Samsung.
Yeah. You man see me with a once me get a few of them buy a few of them anybody else for that me read. Yeah, different that one. I love it two of them man, but ever since we start rock them when I think I use that I other brand again. They on the live, so I really call out the brand like me promote them. The place dark, you know, I think my photos in the live streaming of that. What do you think? Anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera on and see something. Oh, this brighter. You see that? You see the difference? Now let's get this bird. Yeah. If it's like a color come up on the screen, it just give me a signal. But otherwise, it's all good. Oh man, if you come up man, you go see man. You don't have to look fine.
Alright.
You have to pressure yourself. That's why numbers.
I want people to find this, sir.
Why them something different, you know? I like your fancy gym where you work out and everybody used to it.
No, that,
Something different, brother. This take whole heap of dedication. You know this. I when I get older, you wouldn't put yourself through so much pressure at work to do this. Because you know them I love for work out. I like.
after when I did, me I born them too fragile and a girl child and I think cuff up.
This you want to build some muscle. I like the sound of that. Alright, Batman, here.
Boots again.
Yeah, someone.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Woo! Feel this muscle, man. Come on.
Ah!
Wow.
Ah!
Good job.
Alright, party. Whoa!
I don't mean a confused with a good job.
If we do 6 with this, I'll take it. It's all good. Whoa! Alright, chat. Appreciate everyone who's been watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. You're not gonna regret it. It's pure motivation over here and inspiration. Place is getting dark, so I have to end the live stream. So appreciate you all. Keep working, stay focused. Alright, let's get this money. So peace out one and all. Subscribe. Make sure we all subscribe right now. Alright, let's get it.